I told ChatGPT to give me a Roblox Studio project idea that involves physics. I want to see if ChatGPT can make a script with me telling it just a simple sentence. It came up with the Roblox bowling game. In a new chat, I asked it to make a script for a bowling system. It gave us a script. I'll just copy and paste it into Roblox Studio and see what I have to do. First thing it says is to create a bowling alley. So I went ahead and made a lane real quick. Next up is the pins. I just used basic parts because I'm lazy. Now it's telling me to create a bowling ball. That seems easy enough. Now it's telling me to set up a ball to be a tool. So to do that, just add a tool. Put the ball in it and realize that you haven't used tools in a long time, so you forgot a step. I put the tool in starter pack, but then I finally remembered to name the ball handle. This is what I wanted to happen, that you could hold the bowling ball in your hand, but when I try to click, it doesn't launch the bowling ball at all. So somebody has to knock these pins down. I noticed that the script never gave the tool that it instanced a parent. The script also instanced a random part at the bottom here. I'm not sure why. I said forget this instancing, let's just attach it to the tool we already made. Don't overcomplicate your life. And I made the handle variable link up with the tool handle I already made, which is the actual ball. I got rid of all the properties since we're not instancing, so we already have all the properties that we like. Step 4 says to create a scoring system, but I told ChatGPT to write the script, so I'm not going to do that. It's the AI's job. Let's see if it works now when I click, and nothing. Nothing's happening again. The reason it doesn't do anything is because it's trying to launch the ball that is attached to my hand already. So it's not going to be able to launch it if I'm holding on to it. So I just make it clone a ball and launch that instead of trying to launch the ball that's in my hand. Whenever the tool is activated, it'll just create a new ball and launch that. Wow, still nothing when I click. I move the ball back into workspace and I switch the variable to the right place. Now we can pick up the ball and we get an error. The script was basing the direction off the character's C-frame, but the character doesn't have a C-frame, so we have to use the humanoid root part C-frame. Let's try it again now, see what happens, and bam, I'm a really powerful bowler. Let's lower the power a bit, ChatGPT did too much. Now the ball's gonna fall right through the map and everything. It probably helps when we have can collide turned to true, and hopefully it works now. It's a bit delayed to knock over the pins, but it works. So as you can see, ChatGPT can make a project on Roblox with just a general sentence, but you do have to do a lot of tinkering to make sure it works correctly. So if you're coming with zero knowledge of scripting, it'll probably be a bit tough, but you either have to figure out to make the prompt more specific to make it how you'd like, or just tinker around with it if you have some level of knowledge of scripting. That makes sense. So if you don't know that much scripting, probably just be more specific with your prompt. But if you don't mind tinkering with the script a little bit, then go ahead and give it a generic prompt and then you have to tinker for yourself. If you want to see how ChatGPT's project holds up against Roblox Assistant AI and against a human person's project, go check out the video in the iCards where I have 4 projects, 2 made by me, 2 made by AI, and have someone who doesn't know that rank them. God bless.